Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're back at it, working on the HELLCAT. So I'm pretty excited. We flipped it around on the frame machine, so we got it facing this way. We got it all clamped down, so it's all chained down. I know you guys didn't want to watch me chain it down, but we got it all chained down. I'm pretty excited about it. And let's go ahead and see what the frame needs. As you guys can see, it looks like it shifted this way, and this side went up. So if we had a level on it, it'd be like that dramatically. But what we're going to do is we're going to pull this thing back. First we're going to unscrew the subframe, make sure the subframe is loose, make sure this frame rails can move back, no problem. We'll get the frame rails moved back to the right, probably, I'd say almost 3 inches. It really has to go this way a lot. Then what we had last time come in, we had the radiator support come in, we had a new rebar come in, we had the fenders come in, so that's really good. Also we had a little bit of apron damage right here. So we're gonna have to pull that out after we get the frame rails straight. Also this weekend we went and picked up the hood. So check out the hood we got. We went ahead and upgraded to the red eye hood, and this is aluminum. And we went on Facebook Marketplace, we found one like a regular HELLCAT hood, and then we found this one. And this one is gonna look really good because it makes like the red eye appearance. But let's go ahead and start pulling the frame and check it out. Alright, so after we got the subframe loosed, we pulled the frame rails this way and we pulled down. So that's really good. So we got a little mark right there. And we got it to this mark. So that's dead center, which is good. Now we're gonna do another cross diagonal. Nothing changed. And we're right in the middle. So these frame rails are sitting straight. I also tape measured, so they're sitting up and down perfect. So it's really good. So next thing we'll do is replace this rebar, put the new one on there, and then we'll put the radiator support on there. Let's keep working. All right, so just like that, we got the new one bolted down. It's definitely fit really nicely, but for some reason, it's upside down. But it's the right way because there's little brackets here, but they stamped it upside down. So next thing I want to do, we're going to fix this bracket a little bit more because that's where the upper radiator support hooks up to, and this upper piece right here. So we're going to try to bolt something right here. We're going to pull it out, and hopefully it pulls out nice and even. Doesn't rip or anything. So far it's doing really good. These frame rails are looking really good. There's no buckle in there, nothing like that. They pulled out really nicely. That is from, I guess, where it hit it, but I'm pretty happy with it. So let's keep going. All right, so there we have it. We got the headlights installed. It's looking good. They're lining up really good. The hood is lining up with the radiator support. It's dead even. This side, the headlight's really good. The gaps are looking really good. There is, you know, the little rubber bump stop we gotta still put in there. And this side gap is looking really good. So I'm really happy with the framework. These frame rails are looking straight. We still gotta do a little bit of grinding, do a little body filler on there to make them look good. But other than that, I think the framework is done on the front.
All right guys, so check out the progress. Ivan did a great job on the framework. Man, the gaps are looking really good. The body line matching up. Oh yeah, for sure. It's looking like a HELLCAT again with the headlights on there. Missing, you know, the bumper and stuff. Imagination, you know, we're going. I mean, I kind of like the whole black heads. I mean,
It's a flat black.
flat black hood scoop. Satin, yeah.
Dual hood scoops.
Wow, and they're functional, right? I mean, this actually does something. That's crazy. Air comes in, it comes out the side, into the intake.
That means you gotta get a cold air intake, Michael.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have to. Sure, it's gonna sound better. I mean, you got air intake through the headlights. That's what they do, you know? Both sides, why not? Let's keep going. But yeah, the rebar's looking nice on there, good to go. Still waiting for some more parts to come in, obviously, but yeah, I would say the major framework is done on this thing, right, Ivan? That's moving
pretty
forward.
much. Yeah, we're ready to start bonding. Body filling.
I mean, I feel like it's a lot quicker than our other HELLCAT that we did, so yeah. Even though I felt the other HELLCAT wasn't as bad damage, but this one, you know, just going, getting it done, knocking it out. So our cooler is still gone. We didn't actually get, I don't know, was that a transmission cooler right there or something, or oil cooler. So we can't actually just run it, but we can take it off the clamps, you know, basically down with the frame. So that's nice. But we still, like I said, a lot of Bondo to go. Our door's messed up. We're gonna just replace that door. That door's a goner. It'd be a lot easier, you know, so we'll get a new one. But for the paint, I mean, black looks good. The maroon, purple, it's not bad. I mean, I don't know, maybe a two-tone, maybe a little different shade of the maroon, purple. Keep it original, keep it factory.
I'm telling you, Michael, let's paint it yellow, just like those calipers.
Oh yeah, yellow would look good. These calipers definitely to be repainted, but it's all good. Even got the black stripes on top. I actually looked into it. Those are from original factory stripes. They pay like $800 for those things, but they're coming off. They're like baked, sun-baked, and they're peeling. I'm like, wow, that's crazy. OEM. It's like 2018, right?
Yeah.
It's not that old, so I'm kind of surprised that it's peeling off. I thought they were just aftermarket something, but it's original OEM stripes from the dealership. But whatever, probably get rid of those anyway. We'll see.
Definitely gonna get rid of it.
Yeah, that's fine. So we're also going to think about our wheels situation. Should we just get the stock wheels or even the red-eye wheels? Those look really cool. And this rotor is huge, brake caliper. Check out the little spindle though. It's so small. The little neck, it's like a little giraffe right there. Look at that guy, really close to the shock. But hey, that's the style. That's what, you know, works. Whatever, no big deal. But yeah, we'll do all the Bondo work next time, guys. That's enough for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, turn the notification bell, and we'll catch you next time.